Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Hari ni guys kita nak pasang satu keyboard baru iaitu Akrylic 64. Let's go guys, kita unbox. Okey, ini adalah pure gasket mounted keyboard guys. Dia tak ada langsung screw lah kiranya. Kita ada kasih manual book and of course not fancy one coil cable, still okay. And then of course the board itself. Let's go, kita buka. Wow, this very nice. Jom kita pasang, tengok macam mana kalau standard dia, stock dia. It's actually everything okay lah. Okay, dia punya quality, dia ada belakang ada logo Akko ACR64. It's very clean lah, clean. And then stabilizer dia is a plate mounted stabilizer. And let's go, kita buka pula dia punya board. And dia ada kasih dua extra switches menggunakan jelly black. So sekarang kita nak buka. So dia ada 7 skru yang kena buka. Okay, ni case dia. And direct to dia punya PCB. PCB dia agak simple, tak ada fancy. Ni dia punya foam. Dan ni dia punya mounted plate lah. Okay, simple je guys. And as usual untuk PCB aku gunakan tape mode. And this time around aku guna 2 layer. And best thing about dia punya PCB, since tak ada screw, kau akan dapat buat clean tape mode macam ni. Terus settle. Okay, now kita pasang dia punya porong foam. And aku ada add juga untuk PE foam. Okay, since dia bagi 2 extra switches, aku gunakan switches tu untuk just lock dia punya foam. And terus boleh buat clean up, potong semua balance yang tak perlukan ni. And next step, just terus boleh pasang dia punya acrylic case. Okay, untuk keycap aku gunakan Akko Carbon Retro. Yang ni adalah ESA low profile. And switches pula aku gunakan MMD Holy Panda. Ni adalah tactile switches lah. And of course, before aku assemble all the switches, aku akan try dulu all the step, make sure that works properly. So once everything okay, then kita terus pasang all the switches before assemble balik dia punya case. Okay, dah settle pasang all the switches. And let's go pasang acrylic case dia pula. Last but not least, kita pasang all the keycaps. Alright guys, looks very solid. And let's go, kita try and sound test. Let's go. Alright guys, this is my first time gunakan Holy Panda. And aku rasa memang agak key lah. Okay, so what do you guys think? Let's go for the cinematic. Okay, itu saja guys for this build up. Thank you for watching and hope to see you guys soon on the next episode. Bye bye guys.